అయిపోయిందా? ఆ. Hello everyone, welcome back to Kranti Team YouTube channel. Now only completed Rashtriya Military School, Rashtriya Military, Rashtriya Military set exam for 6th class. Now we are discussing about the exam paper. What actually, which questions are made the which questions are got the top, which subject is the top, what is the score maybe get the child who not actually. Now we will discuss about that. First we go through further. You know all of you set exam paper, that is the 50 questions math, 50 is the reasoning, 50 is the English, 50 is the GK. In that today they gave 1 to 50 is the English, 51 to 100 is the GK, 101 to 150 is the reasoning, 151 to 100 is the maths. Main RMS, you know the selection process, it is the first of all cutoff. First cutoff and selection process. First, they will not take the English marks as a total score. They consider only 150 marks. They consider only 3 subjects, that is the maths, reasoning and GK. English, the child has to qualify. That's all. Qualification is must. At least he has to get the 18 to 20 marks. 150. What is the cutoff? Maybe will come. Means we go for the maths. Math, if you see the question paper, mostly question paper is always it is the advanced level only, basic level only. But in the answer they gave the one question, it is a bar graph question. If you take bar graph question, that they gave the not question, they gave the what is the meaning of the bar about the bar frequency of the scores, that is that will be maybe will get the wrong in everybody, because students will concentrate only for the most of the students will concentrate only for the calculation part, everything process. But saying whatever the base they used to miss sometimes, that maybe get the wrong the children. Next it is the one question 1, 2, 3 are the wrong, 1, 2, 3 are the maybe hard, but basically the math is totally this. The child has maybe if the child is studying for the RMS, the child will get the mostly 49, 48 in the math. Now we will go for the reasoning, because these two subjects only on the scoring subjects in the aspects. And next we will go for the reasoning. But in the reasoning, what we covered, if you observe the last 20 years papers, most of the questions came from the coding, decoding series, analogy, odd man out like that. But that they used to cover the all areas in the reasoning. Like if this reasoning is equals to the chat, equals to the like bank exams reasoning, like exams, any competitive exams, bank exams like reasoning. They gave the questions. If the child has to read the question and understanding the question, it will take time. Most of the children waste their time in the reasoning only, because most of the children only. If you observe the 151 151 to 101 to 150 150, mostly if they gave the questions, question C. First, if the questions, these are all the easy. If you see, these are the easy questions. One page is easy if you observe. If you go the next page, they gave the lengthy question. Half they gave the one question only. That is the problem. The child has to maintain the time in this. Every question is the answer. It is easy only except 5 questions. Those are all. If you see this type of question, 4 trees, lemon, mango in different corners of rectangular box. This can be, it is a new question they gave, not last 5 years papers, that it is not there in the Sainik also. This is the one question is the new. One more if you see, we are mostly they gave, means first who scored less, who scored more, who is highest, who is the best. Easy only if you read the question. This is also, they gave the super. Maybe this question, maybe MC will come, get wrong. Cinema is open every night 7 p.m. The last time film begins 11 p.m. But child has the time. Child has to read this question. He has to understand. This is the biggest problem. If you understand very easily only, this is the reasoning. And here also, one of the confusing question 129. See here, they gave the first one image, then question. You have to follow this total instructions. Means you have this. What here? This symbol gives you this here. This one. Means you have this only this one. Only this one. No, don't follow all things reflect audience and access. It is nothing but just image. Means back to the here the answer. Here horizontal axis we need to find the answer. That's all. This is the answer. Okay. And this is the one of the toughest question in this question paper. No, I'm discussing about the only lengthy questions. How many there I'm showing. That's all. In the reasoning. This is also one of the tricky questions. See here. And all black, gray, details. These are the you need to find the statements. These are the statement questions. For the key also we are very sure we are posting the key also. Go to our channel and from the key YouTube channel you can see even at this time you have the one. What is the advantage means you got the copy of the OMR. Then you can easily correct yourself. You easily get the score also. Please, if anybody corrected, if anybody followed our key in the comment box, please send your marks also. You can send maths, reasoning and English GK, but that we can analysis and we can make tomorrow also exact cutoff what will be there. And that because the RMS results will be within 1 week, they will give the score for everything. Selection you have interview after the medical test will be, and our one more faculty will come. They will discuss about the GK and next GK about what about the GK. GK is also this time they covered most of the science questions. Half of the questions are science only, and half of the GK questions they discuss. That is also easy. The childhood quite fast. 40 questions, 42, 41, 42 the score. Basic English के the channel follow our 5 no madam site for the key. We are releasing within 15 minutes ABCD every set. Follow our channel and check the marks. Please give the link in the marks in the comment section what this writes. Thank you. Hi dear students and parents. RMS examination 2025 we are feeling so happy. Students అందరూ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ సెండ్ చేశారు అండ్ ఈసారి ఓకే ఈసారి మనకి క్వశ్చన్స్ లో వచ్చి న్యూ ఏమంటే ఐ వాంట్ టు డిస్కస్ విత్ యూ ఓఎంఆర్ ఒక కాపీని ఓఎంఆర్ కాపీ స్టూడెంట్ కూడా ఇప్పుడు ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. ఇట్స్ ఏ గుడ్ సైన్ బికాస్ రిజల్ట్ వచ్చేదాకా వెయిట్ చేయడము మార్క్స్ ఎన్ని ఏంటి స్టూడెంట్ కరెక్ట్ గా దాన్ని పెట్టకపోవడం క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ లా అంతా ఉండేది. బట్ ఇప్పుడు ట్రాన్స్పరెంట్ గా మనకి రిజల్ట్ అనేది ముందే తెలుస్తుంది. ఎస్పెషల్లీ ఐ వాంట్ టు డిస్కస్ అబౌట్ జీకే. టుడే జీకే వీఆర్ ఫీలింగ్ సో హ్యాపీ. Actually, compared to last year, last RMS 25 questions they gave from under current affairs. Questions they covered 25 questions. Then students get a little bit confused. Before years, if we compare before years than last year, 4 to 5 current affairs questions are there. But last year they gave current affairs like that, and 25 questions of current affairs they gave in paper. So their students get confused a little bit. Cutoff was gone high. Means getting in GK marks a little bit problematic last year. This year we expected that play a major role. Then they can give questions from history. I think they can give more questions from history. And our Uma madam, and our madam that science questions make. Here we are dealing GK in Kranti. Especially I want to discuss about that. Jacobs are separate chapters he is dealing. Uma madam is dealing natural science. Myself I am dealing little bit of history and quality related speaks. So we 3 members we are taking classes to artists are it through Sainik. So this is the biggest success for us. With three teachers dealing GK especially. So my madam is feeling so happy because the natural science questions came to in today's RMS more than 25 questions. I expect teacher, she is feeling very happy. Me and Job sir also, we are feeling so happy that we discussed about the government plannings and whatever it may be. From day one onwards, I am telling that GK will trigger students to get little bit less marks because mathematics 50 questions, reasoning for 50 questions, performance is not a easy issue actually. So I thought that GK లో మా పిల్లలు కొంచెం డ్రాప్ అవుతారని జీకే చాలా బాగా పెర్ఫార్మ్ చేశారు ఓవరాల్ గా వీఆర్ ఫీలింగ్ వెరీ హ్యాపీ 3 to 4 క్వశ్చన్స్ మేబీ 5 క్వశ్చన్స్ కొంచెం లిటిల్ బిట్ కన్ఫ్యూజన్ క్వశ్చన్స్ వచ్చినాయి రెస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ బట్ స్టూడెంట్స్ డన్ వెరీ గుడ్ ఉమెన్ మేడం విల్ డిస్కస్ విత్ యూ థ్యాంక్ యూ
Hi, dear parents and students. Feeling so happy by seeing this new this RMS paper comparatively with the last year. If we see now, so being a science teacher now, I'm really so blessed to see this paper. So 25 plus questions have appeared in this today's RMS paper. So to cut to little basic to little tricky questions. Okay. So coming to this paper. So this is our one of the students paper. Okay, let us see GK questions. Let us see the GK questions. They start from 2051 to 100. Okay. Yeah, ma'am. Yeah. So you can see here. See the first question. The Santal tribe is mainly found in Jharkhand. Option B is the right answer. Next, who is the owner of Winnie the Pooh? Is A. Milne. Okay, option B is the right answer. Next, third question you see, which is the capital of Chhattisgarh? Is Raipur. Okay, 53. Option A is the right answer. Next, 54th question. See, who is the when is the World Environment Day celebrated? On 5th June. Okay, so next 55th question. So all our students are also calling us. So they are sharing their exam experiences with us. Feeling so happy being a GK teacher, being GK faculty here. Okay, saying all these questions which were discussed previously, all in the previous grant test papers and all in the previous exam sessions. Okay, 55th question. The Ashoka Chakra is also known as Dharma Chakra. Next, which animal bird has the ability to move each of its eyes independently? Is chameleon. Option C. Next, see 57th question. The Udan scheme launched by the Ministry of Civil Aviation aims to enhance air connectivity in smaller cities. Option A. 57. Option A is the right answer. Next, 58 you see. 58. Pongal is the grand harvest festival of Tamil Nadu. Option B. Okay. 59th one you see. The highest literary award in India is Jnanapeeth Award. Option C is our right answer. Next, this is the first time seeing the maths question GK section. Okay, see if 10 mangoes is 500, how much do 5 mangoes cost? Is 250 rupees. 250. Option C is our right answer. Next, moving to question 61st question. Okay, so when water is heated, it is ultimately boils and evaporates. Option D is our right option. Okay, which of these helps preserve food for longer time? So salt and sugar is used to preserve the food for longer period. Okay, option C is our right answer. Next is 66th question. What is one major benefit provided by mountains? We know that many of the rivers, the major rivers are originated like Ganga, Yamuna and all, they originate in the mountains only. Okay, they supply fresh water and timber. Option A is our right answer. Next, 64th question you see. Which are the largest living lizards in the world? Okay, Komodo dragons. Option A is our right option. Okay, option A. Next, 65th question you see, which of the following animals helps humans in farming? Okay, option B, ox is our right answer. Next, 66th question you see, who has got the honor to become the first women prime minister of Japan, assuming office on from October 21st, 2025 is Sanaya Takaichi. Takaichi is our option B. Takaichi is our right answer. Okay, moving on to 67th question. Next, which form of water falls as hailstones? Option D, ice crystals. Option D is our right answer. Next, 68th question you see, which of the following is not among the occupation of Indian farmers? Okay, this is a negative question, which is food processing is not part of the farming. Option B is the right answer. Next, 69th question you see, who won the first Olympic gold medal for India in shooting? For India in shooting is 69. Abhinav Bindra. Option A is our right option. Okay. Next. Question number 70 you see. Next, where is Kudankulam nuclear power plant located? It is located in 70, Tamil Nadu. Option A is our right answer, Tamil Nadu. Next, option 71st question. So UNICEF provides humanitarian aid and advocates for children's rights, especially for the children's rights. Option A is our right answer. Okay. Moving on to 72nd question. We have next, which of the following is a union territory of India? So Ladakh is the right option. Option C is our right option. Next, 73rd question you see, which organ of a human body helps in the digestion of food? Okay, option C, stomach is the right answer. Next, 74th question, which of the following is a small pear-shaped organ that releases bile? So you know that bile is produced in the liver and it is stored in the gallbladder. So from there it is released into the body. So option B is the right answer. Next, option B. Next, question number 75. Which gas do plants absorb during photosynthesis? It takes carbon dioxide, okay, and releases oxygen, okay. Option C is our right option. Next, 76th question. Which animal uses its tongue to smell? Okay, so the snake is the right answer. Snake is the animal which uses tongue to smell. Option B. Next, 77th question you see, the young one of a frog. So if you see, observe all these questions from every topic they have discussed, topics all from the Sainik topics they have, from every topic they have given one question. Okay, so L1 of a frog is backbone. Option B is our right option. Next, 78th question you see, the World Health Organization, who has recently, October 2025, flagged 3 Indian cough syrups as substandard. Which of the following is not among them? Okay, so which recently there was a dispute about this cough syrup, that is Swasahari. Okay, Swasahari is not among them. Okay, next, 79th question. Next, which among the following is a fossil fuel? Is coal. Coal is a fossil fuel. Next, a question, option A is our right answer. Next, question number 80. The host country of G20 Summit 2025 is South Africa. Option B is the right option. Next, going to 81st question. Which of the following foods is commonly cooked in an oven? Okay, so cake usually commonly cooked in the oven. Okay, next, 82nd question we have here on the screen. Which is the smallest continent by the land area of the world's land mass? Okay, next, option B, Australia is the smallest continent. Okay, next, 83rd, option B is the right answer. 83rd question you see, the force that pulls attracts the object towards the center of the earth is called as gravitation. Option C, we know about the gravitational force which pulls the objects towards the earth. Okay, option C is right option. Moving on to 84th question. Author of Harry Potter series. This also who are regularly following us. All these questions are these are repeated, which we discussed previously in the mock test, grand test, and all. Okay, so option D, J.K. Rowling is the right option, the author of Harry Potter series. Next, 85th question. Which of the following is correct explanation? Johad. Johads are like nothing. They are the earthen check dams to store the water. Okay, so it is water tank option. Option D is our right answer. Next, headquarters of UNICEF. UNICEF is New York. Option C. Next, 87th question you see. Which of the following diseases is spread by mosquitoes? So dengue is the disease, dengue, malaria, chikungunya are the diseases which are spread through mosquitoes. Option C is our right answer. Next, 88th question you see, Google CEO has recently announced plans to build India's first ever Google AI hub in Vishakhapatnam. Option C is the right answer. Okay. Next, 89th question, a coded system of raised dots used by blind individuals to read is the braille script or the braille system, okay, which are used by blind people. Okay, next 90, question number 90 you see. Question number 90, the Indian Air Force is celebrated on, the Indian Air Force Day is celebrated on 8th of October. Option D is the right answer. Next, 91st question, the Indian classical dance form of Kuchipudi is Andhra Pradesh. Option D is the right answer. Next, 92nd question, the instrument used to measure altimeter, that means the height from the earth's surface used by aircraft people, which is altimeter. Okay, option B is the right option. Next, moving next question number 93. The tongue helps us to taste the food. Okay, next. 94th question you see, which of the following contributes most to water pollution? Okay, chemicals and industrial waste which are released into the water bodies will pollute the water and becomes water pollution. Okay, next question number 95, the first cricket world cup was held in, the first Indian was held in England. Option D is our right option. Next, 96th question you see. Which of the following awards is not associated with literature? Not associated is Dada Saheb Phalke Award. Option C is our right option. Coming to next question, 97th question. NASA has confirmed that asteroid 2025 PN7 is now Earth's new quasi-moon. Option B is the right option, quasi-moon. Okay, 98th question. Seeds grow into new plants by a process called germination. Option B is the right option, which the new baby plant go from the seeds. Next, Buddhism was founded by Gautam Buddha. Option C is the right option. The last question in our GK section. Okay, next. Which instrument helps us to see tiny organisms is microscope. Okay, hope this video is helpful for you all. Thank you and stay tuned with us. All our subject teachers will come one after the other. So we'll discuss all the topics, all the questions, all the subject sections will be discussed by our faculty. Please stay with us. Next, English sir is going to come. Mr. Jacob sir is coming to explain the English paper. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. So today, as you are aware, that RMS exams were held, and our children have done very well and some keen school. So now I have come here to give the key sheet of English. It is RMS exam 2025. Okay, which was conducted today. That is 7th of December 2025. Okay, so we have come up with the key. You can easily cross check with what you have doubled or what you have ticked in your answer sheet, so that you have a idea of how well you have done in this exam. Okay, the paper was simple. Only thing was your concentration and the way you read, understand. That was very important. Otherwise, it was not at all so tough paper. They have given in a very simplified way. They made the paper. Okay, so now let us start with English. The English question starts with first question. What is it? It is delightful sight to find a dance of cows grazing in the fields. Now, whenever cows has come plural, okay, whenever cows has come, so what you use for cows? A group of cows, herd. So this is the right option here. Okay, herd is the right option. Then, so option C is the right option in question 1. Then choose the correct article of the given sentence. Now, dash book title Swami and Sons is written by R.K. Narayana. Dash book. So, it is telling about the proper noun because he is giving the name of the book as well as of the writer. So, always with the book, what will come? Because it is a proper, perfect noun. So, so article will be the. Okay, the article is the right option here. Option A is the right option. Title Swami and Sons written by R.K. Narayan. Okay. Then now he is asking you, third one, identify the proper noun in the following sentence. Identify the proper noun in the following sentence. Rihan plays tennis exceptionally well. Now what he has asked to find out? Proper noun in the sentence. Which word is a proper noun? So proper noun should be a name or name of a place, a person, anything. So here, which is the name? Rihan is the name here. Rihan. So where is Rihan? Option A. So option A is the right option here. Okay. So option A is the right option. Okay. Then choose the correctly formed sentence. That means there are 4 sentences given. One sentence is grammatically correct. It is a proper sentence. Okay, so we have to read all the 4 sentences. Before you attempt the answer, you have to read all the 4 sentences. So, every planet orbit around the sun. So, this is Uranus rotates on its side. The Earth rotates and its axis and orbit around the sun. Jupiter takes just 9.9 hours to complete a rotation. So, which one is correct here? It is a science question. Okay, if you know, if your background, you have read science, you will easily get this answer. So option C is our right option because this is only right sentence that the earth rotates on its orbit around the sun. That is correct. All 3 are not right. Okay. Now complete the sentence with a suitable option. We have to complete the sentence with giving a suitable option. What is the sentence? Even if a person sleeps, the brain continues to work because. Even if a person, even when you are sleeping, your brain continues to work. Why does it continue to work when you are sleeping? So that reason you have to find out from these 4 options. Again, it is a science question. Okay. Again, it is a science question. So it is an important in the human body? No. It is busy in organizing memories or dreaming while a person sleeps. We will keep it aside. It is restless when important sleep. No, if brain is restless, you will not have good sleep. It is health for sound health. Yeah, that is correct. But here what it is telling, the brain continues to work. Why does it work? He is asking. Okay, so option B is our right option because it is busy organizing memories for dreaming while in person. So that's why you get dreams. Then everybody attended the party dash is uncle. That means in your house, supposing your uncle, aunt, everyone is there. Everyone went, you all went to the party except your uncle. So which except you will use? This expect no, exceptional no. Except means when you receive something. So except means this is the right option. This is the right option. See how they are confused. They put each one almost less pronouncing same. Okay. So you should know this. Now choose a sentence with correct usage of article. While Ritik bought two packets of chips and a chocolate, Ria bought an ice cream and pizza for the trip. While Ritik bought two packets of chips and chocolate, Ria bought an ice cream and a pizza for the trip. While Ritik bought two packets of chips and a chocolate, Ria bought a ice cream and a pizza for the trip. While Ritik bought two packets of chips and chocolate, Ria bought ice cream and a pizza for the trip. So which one will be right? Conjunction is asking now. With correct use of articles. While Ritik bought two packets of chips and a chocolate, Ria bought an ice cream and pizza for the trip. While Ritik bought two packets of chips and a chocolate, correct, A is right. Ria bought an ice cream is right. Sorry, and pizza for the trip. So this is the right option here. Okay, this is the right option. Which one? So this is the which one? This is the right option. Okay, option B is the right option there. Then we'll move forward. There are how many questions, children? 50 questions will be there. So every question you should read carefully. If you read question 3 times and the options also automatically, supposing you are confused, not getting the answer also, it will come. Okay. Only thing is you should have patience. You should have sufficient time to read all the question and all the options. Here identify the correct affirmative sentence for the interrogative statement. Now here a question mark statement is given. Question is being asked. You should make it into affirmative. What are the doesn't our country possess rich landscape, potential and environment which is suitable for cultivation? This is a question. Somebody is asking question. Now you have to make it an answer. Okay. Our country has rich landscape, fertile soil which is suitable for cultivation. Our country is gifted with rich fertile soil and which is suitable for cultivation. Our country has rich landscape, fertile soil and environment which is suitable for cultivation. Our country is possessing rich landscape, fertile soil and environment suitable for cultivation. So this is the right option. Which one? Our country has, because this was a question. So how you will answer this? Our country is rich landscape, fertile soil and an environment which is suitable for cultivation. So option A is the right option. Okay. Option A is the right option. Then ninth question is what? Ninth question is the rhyming word for slip. That means when you pronounce the other word also, it should be pronounced like slip only. Okay, so what it will be? Very simple. Slip and slip both are rhyming words. Mostly rhyming words are used in poems. Okay, the first line which ends with last word, the second line also should be rhyming with the last word. Okay. Complete by choosing the appropriate option. What option you have to see? While Raj was watering the plants. Now Raj, one person is watering the plant. He saw a stranger entering the garden. He has seen a stranger entering the garden. He was seeing a stranger entering the garden. He could have seen. He could have seen means you are not sure. He could have seen. You are not sure. So here the right option will be he saw a stranger when he was watering the plant. He saw a stranger entering the garden. Okay, so this A is the right option. Then Then Tushar was having fever for the last 2 days. Vance told him not to drink anything cold. So who will tell? Their mother no. Is it singular? Tushar one person. So it's his mother. B option B. Then identify the incorrect sentence. There is 4 sentences given. One is not right. So we wear woolen clothes during winter. That is correct. Mangoes and jam found widely in summers. Autumns are also called falling season. The tree look more beautiful in spring season. So autumns are also called falling season is the wrong sentence. Okay. So option C is the right option. The masculine form of hen is rooster. Masculine means male, female. Okay. Nobody has answered the question. Now choose the correct question type. Nobody has answered the question. So it is in negative form because nobody is there. So have they? This is the right option. The children distributed the remaining sheets equally among themselves. It is two between because it is group of people. So among. What is the plural form of? What is the plural form of shelf? Shelf. So this is the right option. Shelves. Knives, like that. So now choose the option which is example exclamatory. So very simply, when which sentence having an exclamatory mark at the end, it becomes an exclamatory sentence. So option B here, everyone will score marks in this question. Okay. Now he is asking, a cardiologist is an expert to treat ailments related to what? Lungs, kidney, skin? No. And then heart. So heart is the right option for us here. Heart. Then heart is the right option. Remember the following repeated speech. That line is repeating. Okay. The teacher said everybody hand over notebooks for checking. The teacher said everybody hand over the teacher asked you to hand over notebooks for checking. Okay. The teacher asked everybody, said everybody should hand over the notebook for checking. The teacher asked everybody to hand over notebooks for checking. The teacher asked everybody to hand over the notebooks for checking. So which is reporting here? Option B. Reporting. Okay. Then comes many people may get affected. Many people may get affected. So which affected will come? A or A? So this only. Option A. See, both are same but meanings are different. Okay. Antonym of radiance. Radiance means what? Antonym opposite they was. Radiance means what you call radiance is bright, luminance, bright. So dullness is the right option. You should know the meaning. If you know the meaning of radiance, you will be knowing the right option. Okay. Identify with the collective noun here. He is asking for collective noun. So the wind is not a collective noun, it's abstract noun. Many passengers, that doesn't give a collective because they may not be at one place. Students are standing in a queue can be collective noun, but students cannot be. So that's why only one is left. B. Option B is the right option here. Because troop means group of people, they are always together. They are collective noun. When they perform somewhere also, they are always together. So that's why troop of dancers serve the audience. The feminine of horse. Feminine of horse. Male. Very simple for you. Some are so simple that easily you can answer. There was heavy rainfall during last monsoon in Kerala. Now this either you correct interrogative sentence. This is a affirmative. Now you have to ask a question. You have to make a question out of this sentence. Did Kerala get heavy rainfall during last monsoon? Was there heavy rainfall during the last monsoon in Kerala? So option B only is asking question. Was there heavy rainfall? Okay, so that is the right option. Now my aunt is very skilled in gardening. Everybody praises her for her green hands, white hands, yellow hands, nobody. So skilled hands is the right option. Rihanna was feeling a little, so she couldn't go to school today. Little cold feet. That means she was not well. Okay. So that is the right option. This is an idiom they have given. in different way. Okay. Choose the sentence with correct spelling of the verb. The leaf floated is not a word. Wrong. So this is wrong. The leaf floated. Wrong. The leaf floated swiftly into the water. Wrong. The leaf floated swiftly into the water. So this is right because all are right here. Okay. Spellings also you should see. Pronunciation comes floated. But this is the right spelling here. Okay. So that's why that is the right option for us. The class monitor will collect the solved handouts from remaining students. Following sentence into passive voice, you have to change it into passive voice. The class monitor will collect the solved handouts from remaining students. So what will the passive voice? The solved handouts will be collected by the class monitor from remaining student. No, the class will be collecting the solved handouts from the remaining students. So this is the right option here. Okay, option B. Now 29th. Choose the sentence with correct word order. It is interesting to note that not from rain, umbrellas were originally meant to protect. So a comma has come here. It is interesting to note that to protect us from the shade of the sun, umbrellas were originally meant. It is interesting to note that not from rain, umbrellas were. It is not that umbrellas were originally meant to protect from the shade of the sun, and not from rain. Okay. So which option is right? Option A is right. While a lion roars, bird sound is called what? Chirp. Bird sound is called chirp. Where it went? Bird sound is called chirp. Now choose sentence with correct word orders. There is sentence. Words are jumbled here. But he forgot to wish his best friend Anish on his birthday. Ara was feeling sorry. Ara was feeling sorry that on his best friend Anish's birthday he forgot to wish. He forgot to wish his best friend. Wrong. Ara was feeling sorry that he forgot to wish his best friend Anish on his birthday. Okay, so which you feel right? This only. Ara was feeling sorry. Just his feelings. Why that feeling was? Because he forgot to wish his best friend Anish on his birthday. Okay, so that is the right answer. Then choose the correct group of sentence. I have 3 pets at home. One of them always smiles at the strangers. I have 3 pets at home. One of they wrong. I have 3 pets at home. One of them always smile at the stranger. So if you see that only these pets they have changed here. You see. Otherwise the sentence is same. I have 3 pets at home. One of them, so that is wrong. Okay. So 32, what will be the right option? This pet is wrong here. So that's why this is the right option here. Option A. Identify the adverb in the given sentence. From in the sentence, you have to find out which is an adverb. Despite not preparing much for his midterm exam due to his participation in the National Swimming Championship, Deep was able to write all his exams extremely well. So, extremely what is there? Extremely. So, this is the right option. Okay. Extremely is the right option. That only is adverb. Okay. So, extremely is the adverb. Mr. Sarah taught mathematics in the previous summer camp at Delhi. Mathematics was taught by Miss Sarah to us in the previous summer camp at Delhi. Okay, 34B is the right option. Identify the abstract noun. Now you have to find first you should know what is an abstract noun. To find the correct answer here, first you should know what is an abstract noun. Abstract noun are those nouns that you can only feel, you cannot see, like honesty, knowledge, air, wind. They are all abstract noun. You can only feel, you cannot see. So here in this sentence, which is nice, then it will be easy for you to find out the word. Sincerity is one of the best qualities everybody admires. So sincerity is the word that is an abstract noun. Okay. Choose the correct conjunction. Rohan woke up late today. Batch he missed the school bus. What happened when if he woke up late? He missed the school bus. So and cannot come because he missed the school bus because should come in front. Then cannot come. So is the right option. So he missed the bus school. Why he missed the school bus? Because he woke up late. I don't send out the correct. You will modern one. The chairman will be late for the meeting. You may have to wait. Why this word have has come? That's why we are using may. You must, if it comes, you must wait. If can also you have to use, then have to will not be there. Could if it comes, you could. Have to word has come. That's why you have to use this word may. You may have to go till the outside this chamber. So the correct interjection. We won the match. Normally when happiness we use this word hooray. These are all very simple. Which they are given so that every student score marks. The synonym of exhaustion. Exhausted means what? Tired, na? Exhausted means tired. So tiredness. The committee sent its report. The error in the sentence, choose the correct sentence without error. The committee has sent its report. So the committee has sent. The committee has sent it. Report is the right option here. Okay. Now choose the correct question tag. It is wrong to see negative question tag sentences are always, I have told, very simple to find out, because when it is the question is in negative, you have to use positive word. When it is in positive, you have to use negative word. So here the sentence, if you see it is in positive, it is wrong to hurt others. So isn't it is the right option. Very simple way logic to correctly write this. Okay. When a sentence in positive, use negative question tag. When it is in negative, use positive question tag. So that was 41st. 42nd. Araja is waiting for the bus for a long time. Convert the following into present perfect continuous tense. So present perfect continuous tense. Navyada has been waiting for the bus for a long time. Had been. Had means over. Was waiting means she was only waiting that time. Have been waiting is not correct. So Araja has been waiting is the right option. Araja has been waiting. So this is present perfect continuous tense. Convert the following in reported speech. Mr. Singh said, "Where did you buy this car?" Mr. Singh said, "Where did you buy this car?" Mr. Singh asked, "Where did I buy?" Mr. Singh asked, "Where I had bought that car?" So Mr. Singh asked where I had. Mr. Singh was asking, "This is wrong. This is wrong. Where it went?" Mr. Singh asked where I had bought that car. Mr. Singh asked where did I buy this car. So reported speech. So Mr. Singh. Okay. So option B is the right option there. Then identify sentence with indefinite pronoun. Meet my new friend Ravi. Meet my new friend Ravi. He works in the bank. So identify the indefinite pronoun. These books are mine. I bought a new dress for myself. No one enjoyed the movie. So these books are mine is the right option, because this is having an indefinite pronoun. Okay. Identify correct adjective, complete the sentence. Most of the students are able to solve the mathematics puzzle. When you are able to solve the mathematics puzzle, that means the questions were very easy. So very simple word, you can easily get it. Okay. Then comes question number. This passage has come. Now this passage is, Meera was a cheerful girl of class 5 at Sunshine Public School in New Delhi. She had a voice as sweet as a nightingale and was the lead singer of the school choir as well. Her teachers adored her. Okay, this is the passage you have to fully read. She had a voice as sweet as a nightingale means she had a sweet voice means it is personal. So personification is the right option. Personification is the right option. Another word means blissful. Blissful means very, very peace. So cheerful is the only word here which is blissful, cheerful. What do we learn from Miras? We should be responsible is there, and we should focus is there. So B and C. Then 49. Choose a student to describe Mira. All. All the options are right for Mira. Okay, all the options are right for Meera. She had all the qualities. What did Meera do when she came to know school annual function? What did she do? Decided she decided in the passage if you read, she decided to lead the choir and perform well on the school and instead of going for music festival. Okay. So that was English. 1 minute. Mr. Singh said, "Where did you buy this car?" I asked where I had bought that. Mr. asked, "Where did I buy this car?" So Mr. Singh said, "Where did you buy this car?" Mr. Singh had asked if I can tell him, "No, that is wrong." Mr. Singh asked, "Where did I buy this car?" Mr. Singh asked where I had bought that car. Mr. Singh was asking where I had bought that car. So this is clear for you. Mr. Singh asked where I had bought that car. Mr. Singh asked where did I buy this car. Okay, so this is the right option. Okay, children, that just one confusion was there. I cleared it. So that was English, children. Hope you all have done very well, and you can cross check. And I think you must have found it very simple this year. So all the best for if you are attempting for Sainik exam also, or some of you who are writing for Navodaya also, for them also we wish all the best. On the whole, the paper was good. It was based on, as per your ability only they have made this paper. So be happy. All the best. Now, so children, now mathematics expert will come and will explain to you and tell you the key sheet of mathematics. So wait for that. Our Naresh sir is there. He has already come. Okay. So he will tell you about key sheet of mathematics. Okay. All the best, children. Enjoy your, at least for today after computer exam, you enjoy. Of course, from tomorrow again, you have to be in preparation for Sainik exam or now the exam.
Thank you, sir. Oh, hi everybody. I hope you written exam very well. So maths paper is very easy. So I'm thinking that you'll get 50 out of 50 many of the students. So let's discuss the key. Right. Start. So this is the maths paper. Now this is the see. First question. A shopkeeper gives a 12% discount on 500 rupees. What is the selling price? Just directly. See 500 into 88 by 100 because 12% discount means 100 minus 12 how much 88 so direct 500 into 88 by 100 two zeros get cancelled so answer is 440 rupees so option D. So 151 is option B. Next 152 a cricketer scored 35, 45 and 40 runs in 3 innings. So 3 matches. So what is his average? You have to, we know that average means sum of the observation by number of observation. So 35 plus 45, 80, 80 plus 40, 120. So 120 by 3. How much? 3 1 is 3, 40 is. So what is the average? Option C. Next 153. In a bar graph, see so many of the students will do the mistake in this question only. Vision bar graph means nothing but see this is the table, this is y axis and this is x axis. Bar graph means like this. So okay, so bar graph bar graph, the height means vertical. This is the height. So it represents what? Frequency of the data. Option B. Next, 154. 154. See, Rohan had 5,000. He bought television for 2,800, How much money is left with him? Just you have to subtract. Total he had this much of amount, and he spent 28,560. So remaining amount is, you have to see, 560, 40, 100 minus 40, 60, 40. So answer is 21,440 rupees. Next, what is the remainder when 2,256 is divided by 5? So we know the divisibility condition. So 5 is divisible by, when the unit digit is 0, 5. So here 6 is there. So remainder is 1. Next, option A, 155, option A. Next, 156. A tailor uses 2 meters 50 centimeters of cloth for a shirt and 1 meter 75 centimeters for a pair of trousers. What is the total length of the cloth he used? Just you have to add. So before that, he asked in centimeters. So you have to convert this 2 meters and 1 meter into centimeters. So 2 meters can be written as 200. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So 2 meters is equal to 200. So 200 plus 50, 250 plus 1 meter 75 centimeters means 1 plus 100 plus 75, 175. So answer is 425. Option D. 156, option D. Next, which of the following is the smallest fraction? So 1 by 2 is nothing but 0.5. See, 1 by 2 is 0.5. Next, 1 by 3 is 0.333. And next, 1 by 4 is 0.25. Next, 1 by 5 is 0.20. So among this, which is the smallest fraction? See, first after this decimal, this is the 5 and this is the 3 and this is the 2. So these two are not smallest fraction. A and B are eliminated. Next, option C and D. See, option C is 0.25 and option B is 0.20. So 5 is greater than 0. So option D is the right answer. So 0.2, 1 by 5 is the smallest fraction. Next, 158. 158. 158. Which of the following have an odd number of sides? So square has 4 sides, hexagon has 6 sides, and triangle has 3 sides, and rectangle has 4 sides. So what is the odd number? Odd number means which among these is the odd number? Triangle has 3 sides, so odd number is 3. Option C. 158 C. Next, 159. If 8 bananas cost 40 rupees, how many bananas can you buy for 25 rupees? Just cross multiplication. Means 8, 40 rupees. Next, 25 rupees. How many? Just 25 by 40 into 8. 8 on the 8 5 the 5 on the 5 5 the. Answer is 5. You can buy 5 bananas. So which option? Option B is the right answer. Next, 160. 160. An angle greater than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. What is this angle? Obtuse angle triangle. So option C is the right answer. 160, option C. Next, what is the volume of Rubik cube with side 3 centimeters? Rubik cube is nothing but it is in the form of cube. So we know what is the volume of a cube? A cube. So given side side is equal to 3 centimeters. 3 cube is nothing but 27. So option C is the answer. Next, 161 C. 162. 162. Which is the smallest whole number? You know, whole number starts from 0. So which is the smallest? Smallest whole number is 0. Option 162. Option C. Next, 163. How many meters are there in 3 kilometers? See, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So 3 kilometers means 3 by 3. 3 kilometers means how much? 3000 meters. So what is the option? Option B is the answer. 163, option B. Next, 164. A man earns 15,000 per month. He spends rupees 8,500 on household expenses and saves the rest. how much money does he save in a year? See, he given the earning in months and expenses also in month, but he asked the savings in year. So first you have to subtract total salary minus expense. What is the 15,000 minus 8,500? Is nothing but 6,500. But we also given you 6,500 is for 1 month saving. What he asked year. Year means 12 months. So 6,500 into 12. How much? 78,000. Because 6,500 into 12. How much? 7,000. 78,000 rupees. This is the savings for 1 year. 6,500 is savings for 1 month, but he asked for year. Year means 1 year contains 12 months. So that is 78,000. Option D, 164. Next, 165. 165. An angle equal to 90 degrees is called right angle triangle. Direct. Option A. 165 is option A. Next, 166. A movie starts at 6:10 p.m. and ends in 2 hours 20 minutes. So when will the movie ends? Just you have to add these 2 times. Nothing but 6:10 p.m. 6:10 ends with how much time it will take? 2 hours 20 minutes means 2 hours 20 minutes. Direct 8 hours 30. So 8:30 p.m. So which option? Option D is the right answer. Next, 166 option D, 8:30 p.m. Next, 167. If the ratio of pencils to erasers is 4:1. So see, you will confuse here. This is the ratio of pencils to erasers is 4:1. So pencil ratio is 4 and eraser ratio is 1 here. So if there are 20 pencils, means 4 parts is equal to 20. So what is asking? How many erasers are there? 1 part is equal to how much? Directly cross multiplication. 4 parts is equal to 20. 1 part is equal to how much? Cross multiplication. So what? 20 by 4 into 1. 4 on the 4 5s are. So how many erasers are there? There are 5 erasers. So which option? Option B is the right answer. 167 option B. Next, 168. The average of 5 numbers is 20. If 4 numbers are 18, 15, 22 and 20, what is the 5th number? Rest. Average means first you have to find total sum of numbers, because 5, he given 5 numbers. 5 numbers means you have to find total sum. Means 5 into 20 how much? 100. This is the total sum of numbers, 5 numbers. But he given 4 numbers already. What are the numbers? 18, 15, 22, 20. Means you have to add these numbers. 22 plus 18, 40, 40 plus 15, 55, 55 plus 20, 75. So just 100 minus 75. How much? 25. So what is the 5th number? 24. Which option? Option A. Right? Next, 168 A. Next, 169. Convert 5,000 milliliters to liters. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. So directly divided by 1000. How much? 5. Answer is 5. Option 169 is D. Next, because 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. 5000 ml is equal to how many liters? Means 5000 by 1000. You will get 5 liters. Next, 169 D. 170. The boiling point of water is, see, so many students will do that. He will given Celsius, but he will convert into Fahrenheit. That is wrong. He asked only boiling point of water in Celsius, not in Fahrenheit. So what is the boiling point of water in Celsius? 100 degrees centigrade. So which option? Option B. 170 B. Next, 171. Which unit is used to measure the capacity of bottle? See, kilogram, weight. Liter means water. Capacity of bottle means in which contains water. So liter. Liter is the measure of the capacity of a bottle. So 171 is B. Next, option B. 172. A fruit seller buys apple at rupees 120 dozen and sells them at 15 rupees each. What is the profit on selling one apple? Simple. First you have to find the cost price of one apple. Means how can you calculate? See, 1 dozen means how much? 12. So total cost of 12 apples is how much? 120. So first 120 by 12. 12 ones are 12 tens are. So cost of one apple is CP of one apple is how much? 10 rupees. And what he has given? He sold one apple at 15 rupees. Means SP is equal to 15. So what he got? CP is greater than CP is less than SP. Means he got profit. So how much profit? Profit is equal to SP minus CP. 15 minus 10 is equal to 5 rupees. So for each apple he got 5 rupees profit. Means what is the answer? Option C is the right answer. 172, option C. 173. Which of this is a composite number? Composite number means more than two factors. So 18 has more than two factors. So 13 is prime number B, or 17 is prime number, 19 is prime number. So 18 is a composite number. So 173 is option C. Next, 174. Look at the pattern. See, 2, 5, 8, 11. We have to find the next number. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 3, 14. So which option? Option D is the answer. 174. Option D, 14. Next, the simple interest on rupees 500, 175. Simple interest on rupees 500 at 5% per annum for 2 years. 2 years is direct. You have to find the interest. Means he given T and T and R. Means I is equal to PT R by 100. Means T means 500 into 2 times 2 years and rate of interest 5 by 100. 2 zeros get cancelled. 5 to the 10. 10 into 5, 50. So what is the interest? 50 rupees. So which option? Option A is the answer. 50 rupees is the answer. 175. Next, 176. Paper is so easy, mathematics. He given very easy direct questions also. What we are discussed in this channel, he given same questions. We have discussed the mock test questions. Direct questions he has given same model. Expected question what we have done, he given same questions. See, next 176. Convert the Roman numerals XL to decimal. Means he given XL. L means 50. X means 10. So what is the answer? 40 direct. 176 option A, 40. Next, if a person covers 108 kilometers in 3 hours, what is his speed in meter per second? He given in first you have to calculate the speed. What is the speed? Speed is equal to distance by time. Speed is equal to distance is what? 108. 108 by 3 means 3 ones are 336. So 36 is kilometer per hour. But you have to convert into meter per second. Means direct. 36 into 5 by 18. 18 ones are 18 twos are. How much? 10 meter per second. Which option? Option C is the right answer. So 177 option C. Next, 178. If the simple interest on rupees 6,000 for 3 years is 900, then the rate of interest, he given the interest, he given the sum, and he given the time. You have to find the R value. Means direct. I is equal to CT R by 100. What is the interest? 900. 900 is equal to P means 6,000 into time 3 years. We have to find R. So by 100. 2 zeros get cancelled. So R means bring this except R, bring this all the values to LHS. Then 900 by 60 into 3 is equal to R. So 0 get cancelled. 6 1s are 6 15s are 3 1s are 3 5s are. So what is the R value? R is equal to 5%. So what is the rate of interest? 5%. So which one option? Option B, 5% is the answer. 178. Next, 179. Those who followed our channel and those who given the mock test of our Krantik in school, they will attempt 50 out of 50. They will get the maximum 49, 50 because there are the direct questions what we have discussed in our channel. So he has given same. So if a toy is bought by a person, next 179, if a toy is bought by a person A for rupees 150 and sold, see this is the logic question he has given, but you have to understand this question also, this type of questions also we have discussed it and we have given the mark test also. So if a toy is bought by a person A for 150 rupees, there are three persons A, B and C. So write this, first A, next B, next C, right? And toy is bought by A. How much rupees? First 150 rupees. He bought the tie. A is a person. He bought a tie for 150 rupees and he sold it to B. How much he sold? 20% profit. Means 20% profit means what is the value of SP here? 150 into 20% profit means 100 plus 20, 120. So 120 by 100. How much? 2, 0, 0 get cancelled, 0, 0. So 15 into 12, 180. So A bought a toy for 150 rupees and sold to B at 180 rupees. Next, B sold to C for how many rupees? 200 rupees. Got it? See, we got the A value. A bought for 150 rupees and sold to B for 20%. Means we have to calculate 150 into 120. Why 120 means profit means total CP is 100. So profit 20 means 120. 120 by 100. So we will get the 180. So B bought 180 rupees and B sold to C with 200 rupees. Means what is the profit here? 2 rupees. So profit is 20 rupees. 200 minus 180 is equal to 20 rupees. So what he asked? What is the profit or loss for person B? Person B got profit. How much? 20 rupees. Next 180. The prime factorization of 60 is directly. See, don't do the LCM also. 2 into 3, 6. But this is the not the prime number. This is the even number. So this option is eliminated. Next, 2 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12, 12 5 is 60. These are all prime numbers. So option B is the direct answer. Same question we have discussed in mock test also. Same this type of questions. Those who have given our mock test and those who have followed our channel, surely they will get 50 out of 50 in mathematics. Damn sure. 180 is B. Next, in a class of 30 students, 181, there are 18 girls and 12 boys. What is the ratio of number of girls to the number of boys? So many questions are given like this only. So 18 girls, 12 boys. Total 30 students. So what he has asked? Ratio of number of girls to boys. Girls to boys. Ratio means you have to direct. 18 is to 12. 6 3 is a 6 2 is a. So 3 is to 2. Which option? Option A is the right answer. Next, which of this is not a polygon? Polygon means triangle is a polygon, square is a polygon, and rectangle is a polygon. But circle is not a polygon. So option D is the answer. Why? Because it has no sides. It has no sides. It has specific sides. Rectangle has 4 specific sides. Square has 4 specific sides. And A has triangle has also specific sides. So which option? Circle is not a polygon. This is the direct question. In our mock test also this question also is given. 183. Next, a school has 45 classrooms. If each classroom has 35 students, what is the total number of students? There are 25 in a school. There are total 45 classrooms are there, and each classroom contains 35 students. Means total means how much? Direct multiply 45 into 35. What is the answer? 45 into 35. So much? 25 to 5 4 20, 225, 135, 1575. So which option? Option D is the right answer. Option D, 183. Option D. Total 1575 students are there. Next, 184. If a cuboidal water tank is 6 meters long, 3 meters wide, 2 meters height, how much water can it hold? Same direct questions. What we have given, same as it is. by the guardrails he has given same. So 6 meters long, 3 meters wide and 2 meters height. Cuboid means length, cuboid has length, breadth and height. So he given length, breadth and height. So directly what is the volume of a cube? Cuboid L into B into H. So 6 into 3, 18, 18 into 2, 36. So 36 cubic centimeter, cubic meters. So what is the option? Option D is the right answer. 184. Option D. 36 cubic meters. Volume of a cuboid L into B into H. L is equal to 6. 6 into 3 into 2. 36. 185. If a bike runs at 40 km per hour, how much time in minutes will it take to cover? This is also confusion question. See, if a bike runs at 40 km per hour, how much time in minutes will it take to cover 80 kilometers? Means first you have to find out the time. Means he given speed 40 km per hour and he given the distance. Distance how much? 80 kilometers. What is the formula of time? Time is equal to distance by speed. Distance is 80, speed is equal to 40. How much? 2. So 2 means 2 is hours because speed is kilometer per hour and the distance is kilometer. So we got the time T is equal to 2 hours. But what you have asked here? How much time in minutes? This is the logic here. So number of students will not look this question. How much time in minutes? No, won't recognize this. So he has given 2 also here. So you will pick this option B, but it is wrong. So 2 hours means 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 2 hours means how many minutes? 120 minutes. So which option? Option D is the right answer. So 120 minutes is the right answer. This type of confusion questions, logical questions also given in our mock test and our channels. So those who are followed, they will done the correct answer. Next, 180, 185 is 120 minutes. Next, option D. 186, the radius of a circle is 50 centimeters. What is the diameter in meter? This is also confusion question. He given the radius value in centimeter, but asking the diameter value in meters. So first you have to find the diameter in centimeters, then convert into meters. So we know D is equal to diameter is equal to 2 into radius. So 2 into radius is how much? 50. How much? 100. But he also given here 100, but it is 100 centimeters. But he asked in meters. Meters means 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So 100 centimeters is equal to how many meters? 1 meter directly by 100 means 1 meter. So which option? Option B is the right answer. 186, 1 meter. Option B. Option B. Next. 187. What is the value of simplification? This type of simplification also we have given. So what is the value of 50? Direct question this is. If you have doubt, you can check in our channel. Mock test also, this same question we have given. See, 50 minus 20 divided by 5 into 2. First, you have to follow this for solving this simplification. Follow the board master. 5 1s are first division. 5 1s are 5 4s are. So 50 minus 4 into 2, 8. 50 minus 8, 42. Option B is the right answer. 42. 42 is the answer. Option B. Next, 188. A sack of 5 rupees coins weighs 18 kg. There are bag of 5 rupees coins weighs how much? 18 kg. If 1 5 rupee coins weighs 900 grams. Sorry, 9 grams. So how many coins are there in sack? So directly I was asking how many coins are there in the bag. So for this you have to convert. This is the 9 grams, right? So convert 18 kg into 9 grams. Then you will get the answer easy. See, 18 kg. 1 kg is equal to how many grams? 1000 grams. So 18 kg is equal to how many grams? 18 into 1000. How much? 18,000 grams, right? Now, one coin, each 5 rupees coin, here he mentioned 1 5 rupees coin contains 9 grams. Then how much bag the how many primes contains in that? Means one contains 9 grams, one 5 rupees contain 9 grams. So 18,000 grams contains how many coins? Correct. 18,000 by 9. 9 ones are 9, 2,000 are. So what is, how many coins are there? 2,000 coins are there. So which option? Option C is the right answer. Right? 188, 2,000. So option C. Next, 189. Find the find the missing number. Find the missing number. So directly x into 12 is equal to 1500. X into 12 is equal to 1500. So x is equal to 1500 by 12 because move this 12 to RHS because it is in product. When come to RHS, it becomes division. So 12 ones are 12, 12 ones are 12. 12 2s are 24, 12 5 is 60. How much? 125. So which option? Option C. So missing number is 125, 189, option C. Next, 190. What is the greatest 3-digit number? Easy, simple question. Option A, 999 is the greatest 3-digit number. Option A, 190. Next, 191. A basket contains red and white balls. If 5% of the total balls are red and the number of white balls is 190, then total number of balls in a basket are. Simple question. This type of question also we have discussed in our channel and our mock test also. And so easy. See, there are two types of balls, two color balls in a basket. One is red and one is white balls. So the 5% of total balls are red. So there are total means 100%. In 100%, 5% are red. So remaining 100 minus 5, how many persons are there? 95% is what? White balls. Right? So what he has given? See, 5% of the total balls are red means remaining how much? 100 minus 5. 95% are white balls. Next, then what is given? The number of white balls is 190. So 95% balls are white, 5% balls are red in a basket. So you given the number of white balls means 95% value is equal to how much? 190. Right? What you are asking? Then total number of balls in a basket. Total means how much? 100%. So 100% is equal to how much? Cross multiplication. Then 190 into 100 by 95. 95 ones are 95 twos are. 2 into 100, there are 200 balls. So which option? Option A. Option A is the answer because there are 5% of total 5% of red balls in a basket and 95% are white balls in a basket. So we asked total. Total means we know the 100%. So we have to calculate the 100%. We given the number of white balls. So what is the answer? 200. Next, 192. What 725 paisa into rupees. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. Direct divide by 100 here. So how much? 7.25. So option D is the right answer. 7.25 rupees is the answer. So which option? Option D, 192. Next, option C, 193. 192 is option D, 7.25. Next, 193. The length of a rectangle is 8 centimeters and its width is 5 centimeters. What is area? Direct formula. This type of questions also we have discussed, and this is the direct question what we have discussed in our channel and mock test. So those who are given, we will solve the easy question. See, length is equal to 8 centimeters and width is nothing but breadth. So area of a rectangle formula, area is equal to L into B. So L is how much? 8 centimeters. 8. Width is 5 centimeters. So how much? 40 square centimeters. So which option? Option A. Option A is the answer. 40 square centimeters. Next, 194. if a pizza is divided into 8 equal slices and you eat 3 of them, what fraction of the pizza did you eat? Simple. See, total pizza is divided into 8 pieces. You ate 3 pieces. Then what fraction means? Direct 3 by 8. How much? Direct question. 3 by 8. Total 8, you ate 3. So what you have ate should be numerator and total should be denominator. So 3 by 8. Which option? Option D is the right answer. So 194 option D. Next. Remaining means you have to subtract from minus 1 minus. But he does not ask the remaining. He asked only what the fraction you have 8. Means 3 by 8. So option D. 3 by 8. One 95. Find the LCM of 40 into 550. Direct. 4 5 are 22. Forget about these two zeros. Forget about these two zeros. We have to find the LCM. This is even number and this 55 is the odd number. Multiply these two number. 4 5 is 22. 4 5 is 22. 220. Now add these two zeros. 0, 40 has one zero and 550 has another zero. So 22,000 is the LCM. So which question? Which option? Option A. If the even number and odd number is given, then directly you have to multiply when you ask the LCM. So what is the option? If you forget the 40 and 0, if you remove the 0 and 0 for 40 and 550, then you will see the observe 4 is the even number, 55 is the odd numbers. Then 4 into 55 to 2200. So option A 195, option A 2200 is the LCM. Now what is the Roman numeral for 100? 100 is direct C. C is the 100. L is 50. C is the 100. D is the 500. N is the 1000. So what we have asked? 100. So C is the option. Option B. 196. Option B. 197. Next. If 125 books are to be packed equal in 8 boxes, how many maximum boxes will be in each box and how many will be left over? For this question, that directly you have to do the division. The remainder should be left over and the question should be packed. Same type of question we have discussed given the last mock test, I think, and we have discussed also. So direct divide 125 by 8 means what? 125 divided by 8. 8 ones are 8. How much? 4. 45. So 8 5s are 40. 5 is the remainder. So these are the used and this is the remaining. So used are packed. Used are packed. So leftover is 5. So quotient is always packed and used and the remainder should be leftover. So which 15 books are packed and 5 books are remaining. Means which leftover? Means which option? So 3, 3, 3, 3 wrong. So option C is the right answer. 15 books in each box and 5 leftover. So 197 is C. 198 direct addition of fractions. First he has given in mixture fraction, you have to convert into improper fraction. 1 by 5 is nothing but 5 ones are 5, 5 plus 1 6. So 6 by 5 plus 1 by 3. How much? 3 6 is 18 plus 5 ones are 5. By LCM 5 into 3 15. So 23 by 15. Which option? 23 by 15. Option A is the answer. 198 option A. 199. Which of the following number is a prime number? 15 is the odd number, 1 is the odd number, 9 is the odd number, but B, 2 is the even prime number. So which of the option? Option D is the right answer. 199, prime number is 2. 200. The successor of 999 is, successor means plus 1. What is the option? Option D, 1000. So the math should be completed. So thank you. Hope you got the key, right key, and hoping that so many students got 150 out of 50 because those who followed our channel and mock test. Next, the reasoning should be continued. So be in our channel. So all the best. So directly I am going to explain the reasoning key also. So look at the reasoning key. Next, reasoning starts from 101. No? So find the next pair of the letters in the series. So which A, C, E, G plus 2 plus 2. So which option? Option 101 is direct. 101 is set A. C. Option I, A. 101 is C. Next 102 B. Option B. 103 103 A. 103 A. Ranbir is traveling to his parents' home from the workplace. Travel 5 hours 35 minutes by train, 2 hours 15 minutes by car. So you have to add all those, then you will get the 8 hours 10 minutes. So 103 is option A. Next 104. See, this is the analogy you have to do. So which option? 104 104 dog. Next 105 104 is dog. NJLF. Next 105 105. Introducing a boy to her mother, Richa said that he is the son of the daughter of the father of her uncle. How is Richa related to the boy? Means how is Richa related to boy? 105. B. Brother. So Richa, boy is related to Richa is brother. Next 106. If green means white, white means orange, orange means black, and black means white. So what is the color of milk? So 106. Dog. D. Orange. 107. It was Sunday on 1st Jan on Jan 1 2006. What was the day on the week Jan 1 2010? Direct Friday. 107 C. Friday. Next 108. Which one of the following capital letters of the English alphabet does not have the same water image as its original form? See, H has the same water image and X has same water image and O has same water image, but E has not water image. So option is 108 C. 109. Read the information and answer the question below. There is a group of 5 students with the mathematics course. They scored the second highest S has scored the second highest marks, P has scored the more marks than M but less than. Which is the topper? Q has the. So which option? 109. B. Ball. 109 is B. S. Who has scored the less than H but more than P means S. S has scored less than H but more than P. Option B. 110. So find the odd man out from the given figure. So odd man out means three are same, one is different. So we have to find the different one. So circle inside circle and triangle inside triangle, and this is the rectangle outside and inside is square. So which is the different? C. So option C is the answer. Option C. Next. 111. Find the missing term if the same rule is followed by all three figures. 111. Option A. Missing term is 17. Option A. 111. 112. 112. Option C. 2 kilometers west. Option C. 112. Distance and direction question, and the answer is 2 kilometers west. Next. 113. 113. Option C. Option C is 3. So answer is 3. Answer figure is option 3. 113. 114. 114. 114. Father. See. P is Q's daughter. Q is R's mother. S is R's brother. How is S related to means? 114. Option C. Brother. Option C is the answer. 115. 115. What is the answer? Option D. Lemon tree is not on the same side of the plot as the gate. So this is the answer. There are 4 trees, lemon, coconut. So after reading this, which of the following is definitely false means lemon tree is not the same side of the plot of the gate. So option D. Next, 116. 116. Option A. Because see, answer figure means option A is the right answer. 1. Option A. 117. Find the number that continues the series in the most sensible way. Series. So 117, which option? Option A. A is the right answer. And from the series, the next number is 12. Next, 118. Find the next pair of the letters in the series. So we have to find the next pair, question mark. So what is the answer? 118. B. Ball. Go. C, D, E, F, G. Next, Q, P, P. Next, O. So what is the answer? 118. B. 118. G, O. Answer. 119. Find the odd one out from the given options. So we have to find the different one. So triangle. See, these are all are formed from square. 119. Dog. See, these two figures has a space in between them, and this also space, and this is also space. But this fourth figure has no space. So which is the different one? Fourth option. So which one? Option D. 119 is option D. Next, 120. Arrange the following words in alphabetical order. So which one option? 120. C. B. Almond and apple. Next, apricot. Next, avocado. So D, A, D, C. Option C is the right answer. D, A, B, C is in alphabetical order. Next, 121. You have to read the information, give and answer the question below means what is the answer. So 121. C. Q is the answer. Who has got the least score means Q has got the least score. Next, 122. So a train travels from city A to city B, then the train leaves at 5:06 p.m. It takes 78 hours, 19 minutes for the train to reach the city B. When would the train arrive in city B means what? 122. Option C. 11 hours 25 p.m. At 11:25 p.m. after 3 days, it would arrive the train in the city B. So which option? Option C. Next, 123. 123. Option. Which option? 123. Option D is the right answer. If the statements are true, only one of the statements below must be true. Which of the statements must be true means a film starts at 9 p.m. on Monday, Wednesday, and at the weekend. So this is the right answer. Option D is the right answer. Next, 124. 124. Ligita forgets her 3 letters locker code. She knows the code uses the 3 letters A, I, and exactly each. How many different combination of letters to try to unlock her locker means how many different? 6. Right? 124. Option D. 6 is the answer. So she have to try in 6 ways. So option D. To open her lock. Next, 125. Flood brought same question exactly what we have given this type of what we have discussed in our channel or mock test anything. So same direct question he has given. Flood drought. Genius means, see, flood means drought. This is the opposite antonym. So genius means what is that? Idiot. So which answer? 125. C. Idiot is the answer. Next, 126. In a certain code, 32974 is written as 10752. What is, how is 46295 written in the same code? So 126. C. 46295 written in the same code as 24073. 24073 is the answer. So which option? Option C. Next, 127. If you count a number from 100 to 200, how many times will the number 2 appear in the count? So 127, what is the answer? Option C. 21 times. 21 times the number 2 will be appear in the count when you count from 100 to 200. So 21 times. 127 is C. 21 times. Next, 128. How many different pairs of one girl and one boy each can possibly be formed from 4 girls and 3 boys? Means option A, 12. 12 different pairs can be formed. So pairs formed from 4 girls and 3 boys is how much? 12 pairs. So option A, 128. Next, next question, 129. So what do you have to do? Water image. Which of the following will go in the empty box? So empty box is what? 129. C. One. Wanted 129 is water image is answer C. So this is the 129 answer. Next, 130. 130. If the 9th day of a month is 4 days earlier than Wednesday, what will be the 20th day of the month? 130. A. Wednesday. I think reasoning is some bit tough, harder, difficult he has given, not much difficult, medium. Next. So Wednesday is the answer. For ninth day of month is 4 days earlier than Wednesday. What will be the 20th day of the month? Means Wednesday is the answer. Next 131. A lady starts her journey facing the sun early in the morning. Given that the sun rises in the east, she then turns left direction and distance question. So which direction is the lady facing now? Means which direction? B, west. Finally, she is facing west direction. Next 132. Choose the odd pair. Odd pair means three are same, one is different. You have to choose the what is the different one. So silver jewelry, leather shoes, cloth, garments, tools, iron. So which one? 132 dog. D. Tools, iron, because garments is cloth, same, leather shoes, pairs are there, so silver jewelry. So tools is tools, iron. So which is different here? Option D is the answer. Next 133. Select an image from the option which will appear. So you have to select the image. You have to fix embedded following images is right now. So this is you have to fix here. So which among this fix here? So which option? 133 ball. B. Option second figure fits here. So option 2 means B. Next 134. Tomato arrange the following in alphabetical order. Tomato, turnip, tangerine, lime. So which one? First one C is tangerine. Next B, C, D, A, B. Which option? Option A. 134. First tangerine. Next A, D. Lime. Next A. Tomato. Next B. Turnip. So C, D, A, B. Option A. Next 135. Ajit moves towards south, walks some distance, turns right and moves some steps. He again turns right. Which side is the back of? At the back of Ajit. Back of Ajit means which one? 135. Which side? A, north. 135 is A, north. Back, not front. Front means we'll get the south. Back means north. He asked the back of Ajit. So answer is A, north. Next, 136. In a park, four kids, Kohan, Lakshya, Manan, and Niyati are sitting 4 seats in a row. So Kohan. So which option? Who is sitting next to Kohana? Kohana means who is sitting next to Kohana means what? Who is sitting? 136. Lakshya is sitting next to Kohana. So answer is A, option A. Next 137. You have to find the question mark. So he given 12 boxes and he filled the numbers. So he missed one number. You have to find that number by following the logic. So which one? 137 is B. 180. So in question mark we will get the 180 here. 180. Which option? Option D. 138 is option D. Sorry, 137 is option D, right? Or 137 option B. Next, 138. Cuboid is related to rectangle in the same way cone is related to what? 138. Cuboid means formed from rectangle. Cone is formed from circle, line, triangle, square. So 139 A. 138 D. Sorry. Cone is related to circle, not line. So option D. Cone is related to circle. Next, 139. If 1st November 2024 was Friday, how many Mondays were there in November 2024? How many Mondays are there? There are 4 Mondays. So option A. There are 4 Mondays. are there in November 2024. When 1st November is in 1st November 2024 was Friday. Then there are 4 Mondays are there in November. Next 140. A is brother, A is B's brother, C is B's mother, D is C's father, E is D's mother. How is A related to E means? What is the answer? Option D. A is grandson of E. So option D is the answer. A is great grandson of E. Next 141. Long is related to short in the same way. Old is related to what? Opposite. Long short is the antonym. So old opposite is what? Young. So which option? Option B, young. 141 B. Next 142. Young is the answer. 142. Amisha does her maths, Sanskrit and history homework. It takes her a total of 3 hours. She spends 70 minutes on her history and 50 minutes less on homework than her history. How many minutes does Amisha spends doing her Sanskrit homework? So what is the answer? She spends 52 minutes. She spends 55 minutes thus doing her Sanskrit homework. How much time she spends while doing her Sanskrit homework? 55 minutes. So option B. Next 143. So he given the statements. So the statements are, you have to read all the above statements and only one of the statements below must be identified true. Which is the statement which must be true? Which is the true statement here? Option D is the at least 2 of the kittens have given green eyes. At least 2 of the kittens have green eyes. So this is the option 143. Option D is the right answer. At least 2 of the kittens have green eyes. Next 144. Which of the following options will complete the given number series? He has given the series. You have to complete the series directly. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 1 see 243 directly. So which is option 144? Option B. 243. 81 into 3. 3 1 the 3. 3 8 the 24. 243. Next 145. Find the odd one out of the following given figures. So you have to find the different one. So which one? Circle, rhombus, square, triangle. These are all formed from sides. But this is outer line is circle, no side. So which option? 145. See how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4. Option D. Equal parts. See, in first figure it has equal parts, second figure also equal parts, third figure has also equal parts. No, circle is there here. So which is the option here? Option D is the answer. Next 146. Mohit is taller than Rohit but shorter than Swami. Rohit is shorter than Anil but taller than Raghu. Who among them is the shortest with respect to height? A. Raghu is the shortest with respect to height. Who is the shortest? Raghu is the shortest. 147. Find the number that continues the series in the most sensible way. So you have to fill the series in what the next comes. 27, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So 26, 25 decreasing order. 24, 23. We saw which option? Option B is the answer. So 147, 23 is the answer. Next 148. Option B 147, 148. Next, he has given the figure and you have to look at the clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. Now what he has asked, which direction is facing now? Which direction is facing now? Southwest. Option D is the answer. Next, 149. In a certain code, it is written as 248, share is written as 13457. How is teacher written in the same code? So teacher can be written as 8241327. Option D. Option D is the answer. 8241327. Next, 150. 150. In a certain code language, give is written as VIGE. So over is written as EVRO. So how is disk? So it is in reverse order. So which one option? KSID. GIVE. Acha. So skid SI. So not SIKD is the answer. Option 150 is SIKD. Option D is the answer. SIKD. So thank you. I hope you all checked your key. So all the best. Thank you.